Hey y'all, look, I had went to this little Mexican restaurant, like a little side, little joint, little bar and grill. It's gonna be my first time tasting food from a restaurant I ain't been in, so stay tuned. Hold on. Look how it's looking. A steak quesadilla. I mean, a steak taco. Steak tacos. The sauce shit. Got that motherfucker looking delicately. Handle it like that. Got dipping sauce. I'm gonna try it first, and I'm gonna let you try it, babe. Hold on, y'all. Why you put this on there? I do not eat. Anybody tell me what this is? I do not know what this is. Relish. Red relish? Something like that. Radish. This radish. I'm not a rabbit. I don't know what's on here. I'm gonna get to it, y'all. I'm gonna get to it. Look. I'll tell you. Here you go, y'all. Dip that motherfucker in there. I'm trying to see what it tastes like. It's straight. Motherfucker got no taste to it. Unless you dip it. You gotta dip it. This shit hot. They know how to spice their food up. And me is goddamn choking. No diddy. I give it 7 out of 10 though. This shit hot.